Hello, my name is Wilma. Today I will show you how to make a very simple dog pattern. Here's the animal. This is still unglazed, so you can see the structure well. And the glaze sometimes disappears or it looks like a double effect. You have the glaze and the structure underneath. With this instrument, such an effect is easy and quick to make. You press the instrument into the clay at a good and regular distance, with more force or less force depending on how pronounced you want the effect. Looks like this, and it's also very quick. For the ears, I repeated the ear shape really pointed. The instrument is now not specifically for pottery, but it's a spatula for painting. So also look what's in the kitchen or the box for hobbies like knitting needles. And with the ears, it goes also quite super. We start at the top and press in. These tools, they are very cheap in the beginner's set. I will show that in another video what's in a beginner's kit and what you can do with it. That's it at this point. Please stay tuned when I will show you how the animal looks glazed and ready. See you in a bit. Our aging feline predator is back from glazing. It turned out very nice from my point of view. The animal is made of grey clay, so the yellow isn't quite as bright, but has collected nicely in the indentations and gives a good effect. I think you can see it even better in the thumbnail photo or the photo in the credits because my work table is not so well lit. The 3 teeth are wonderful too. I might add whiskers like of nylon. Now I just need to find a good place for it. In any case, it was something that you can be replicated well if you like such effects. Hope to see you soon and have fun with your projects. Bye!